Morning everybody, Mr. UnBreakIt here. Real quick little pointer I wanted to make when changing out batteries on stuff. I'm just getting to the point where I go ahead and spend the extra money for lithium. They last so much longer. See, I had the rechargeable ones here, Mr. Battery. Bought those off Amazon thinking I'd be savvy and bought the cheapest rechargeable batteries. Turns out these are only 1.2 volts. Yeah, look at that. Oh, let's see here. Focus. Anyways, instead of 1.5, they're only 1.2. And I kept wondering why my electronics were not working very well. Well, spend the extra money, get these. They last forever if you don't leave it on. Mr. UnBreakIt pointer, lithium batteries.